Need to remove background from a photo but don't have a Canva Pro? Or maybe you just want a clean, transparent cutout for your design? Hi everyone, Sai from DigiWhisper. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove an image background in Canva. And I will also walk you through a simple method to delete your background, even if you are using a free version. By the end, you will know how to get clean, professional results without any complicated tools. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss the free alternative. So now let's see how to remove image background in Canva for free. You know, background remover is by default is available for a Canva Pro user. But if you are a Canva free user, you can't use background remover tool in Canva. In that case, how we can still remove image background using Canva? So now let's say I want to remove this image background. How can I do this? First, go to the app section and here search background eraser and click here in the background eraser app, and now click to open this app or integrate this app in your Canva account. And here first we need to choose our file. Click here and you can choose your file here, and now click remove background button and it will remove your background from the image. I'm deleting the previous one, so the image is now without background. So it is very simple. We just need to add an external app in our Canva account that is called background eraser. You can use this app in your free account to remove background from your image. There is another option. You can remove background easily, but that is not related to Canva. I'm also showing this. First, search BG remover, BG remove, and here click to land this website, and here upload your image. I'm uploading the image. I want to remove the background and it is processing my image. So background has been removed, and now I can just click here to download my image without background, and now I can upload the image we use in my canvas. Click here in the upload section and upload the image without background. So see, this image is now without background. So you can use any of the method to remove background from an image in your Canva free account. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the DigiWhisper channel.